Yeah, hi, good evening, Andy. So today we'll discuss a concept called call by value and call by reference. Okay. So normally what happens in .NET framework, by default, all the objects are called by value. All the objects in .NET framework are called by value, not called by reference. This is very important point. Okay. So whether it is a value type or reference data type, I believe in initial classes we discussed about what are value types and what are reference types. Correct? So value types are like int, char, double, etc. etc. And reference types are class, interface, string, and delegates. Forget about this delegate concept, but make sure that you are aware what are value types and what are reference types. Okay. So let me open a Visual Studio. Okay, here is my Visual Studio. So let me open. Okay, I want to create another console application here. Right click, add new project. Select the template. I'll select this one because this aligns this Windows console. Okay, I'm selecting this. Next, and call by call call by value, call by reference. Okay. Okay, that's all. My console application is created, and you have to take note here when I print some message here. Like this is from Cbvcbr. So our expectations, like when I run this application, it's supposed to print this is from Cbvcbr message, correct? But we are not seeing that message here because we are running demo console application, means we are running this application. If you want to run this application, then you have to right click, select set as startup project. Then if you run this, let me console.read line. Then if I run this, now it will print this message. Okay, this is a basic one. Okay, just make sure that you have selected your console application as set as startup project. Tomorrow if I ask you to create another console application, you just simply click, right click on the solution, add project, then you add the console application, then you will get the new console application here. Then if you want to execute that application, just right click, make sure that you select set as startup project. Clear? Okay. So now let's say I want to declare two variables, two int variables, a equals to 50 and another variable b equals to, I want to store a value into the b. So this is how I store, and then I want to update the value of b. Okay, so now I want to print a and console.read line. So can you tell me what is the output it will print in the black screen, the console screen? You can pause the video and you can think. Value 50, a value is printed, correct? Because int is a value data type, correct? By default int is a value data type. So the value data type is passed by value, correct? Let me write notes here. is a value data type. Right? Just make sure, okay, it is passed by values here, which means for this code the variable a has stored the value 50, correct? And when we create the variable b and assign a value to the b, the value of a is copied to b. And after that I tried to change the value, the variable b, means I'm trying to update the value b from 50 to 100, correct? But this will not impact the value a because we copied the value of a to b, so we are not updating a value anywhere, we just copied a to b. Clear?